in today's tutorial is that hopefully resolve if your Wi-Fi is not working properly on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, go down and select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath get up and running, select the internet connection troubleshooter and run that troubleshooter here. And then give us a moment. And then, like I said, just follow along with the on-screen prompts and then hopefully it would resolve the problem. If not, something else we can try as well would be to open up the search menu again and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Right click on that and then run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, and then hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer at this time. One final thing you can take a look at as well is if you have a router accessible, just try and unplug it and plug it back into the wall power or receptacle after about 30 seconds. That's something else you can take a look at as well. And there you go, guys. So hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.